Let's move into Ragdoll pose with and without the blocks. We'll start in regular Ragdoll. Bend your knees, separate your feet a little wider than hip width distance apart and keep your knees nice and soft. And then hinge forward, bring the weight towards your toes and let your head hang. If you like, you can grab opposite elbows and sway. This will help disengage your low back as you breathe. To modify this pose, you can use blocks at any height. We'll start at the highest height. Keep the same bend in your knees, keep the weight forward, and just place your hands on the blocks and drop your head down. If you like, you can change the height as you go. It just depends on how comfortable you are with moving the blocks. If you need to roll forward a little bit more, press your hands into the blocks, really let your head hang, and let your low back go. The point of this pose is to let your back disengage, so keep that in mind as you move. Go as far as you need, take as long as you need to feel good. Use the blocks whenever you need at any height, and when you're ready, let the blocks go.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.